In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and sell Notion templates. We'll walk through preparing your template so it's easy for anyone to use, publishing it to the web and making sure people can duplicate it in their own workspace. By the end, you'll have a clean public page ready to share or sell with confidence. Start by shaping a clean, user-friendly template. Keep the purpose clear, remove distractions, and group related content logically, so people know where to start. Use concise headings, toggles, and callouts to guide attention. For databases, label properties in plain language and set helpful default views, like Kanban or calendar, so information is instantly legible. Keep spacing consistent, match icons and covers to the theme, and replace placeholder text with short prompts so people know exactly where to add information. Avoid burying key actions, make them obvious and repeatable. The goal is a polished layout that feels intuitive on first open. Add instructions by creating a simple how-to-use section inside the template. Place it at the top or as a clearly named guide page so it's seen first. Include a quick overview, a brief first-time setup checklist, and notes on customizing key parts, such as filters or properties. Keep the tone friendly and concise so users can scan quickly and get moving. A tiny troubleshooting note like what to check if a view looks empty goes a long way and reduces questions later. This guidance turns a good template into one that people can adopt immediately. Before you share, clean up. Remove personal data, real names, or files you don't want public. Check hidden pages and database templates and replace sensitive examples with generic ones. Simplify property names, delete duplicates, and ensure there are no private mentions or links. Consider doing a quick test in a blank workspace to confirm everything works as intended. This step protects your privacy and keeps the experience professional. When you are ready, publish. Click Share in the top right. Choose Publish. Then Publish to Web and copy the public link. In that same panel, toggle Allow Duplicate as Template. Visitors will then see a duplicate button and can add it to their own Notion instantly. You can open the public link in an incognito window to confirm it loads properly and that the duplicate option appears. If you are selling, you can deliver that same public link after purchase, so buyers can access and duplicate on their own. And that's it, your template is prepared. Documented, cleaned, published, and ready to share or sell. Thanks for watching.